Hello, hi, Moshin. Good afternoon. Welcome to the Stadia program. You have already enrolled for the programs and you had already gone through the masterclass for this. So, like just if you could provide your quick background and your introduction and your career so far, that would be helpful.
Sir, hi, my name is Mansoor. I was recently employed in North Central Railway, Allahabad,
Okay.
and I've already done 20 years of service. First I was joined as permanent for supervisor, then then I was promoted to junior engineer,
Okay.
and then currently I'm senior section engineer.
Okay.
And my education background, I'm not from engineering background. There's a when I was joined in the railway, there was some 1 year program for I was doing a graduation at that time, and
Okay.
then and supervisor job was not for engineering job, but I railway give me a training of 1 year of engineering training services. So then I was
Wonderful.
so I after that I become a junior engineer and after promoted to senior section engineer. I've done
Excellent.
my BCom from Allahabad University, and done MCom from Allahabad University, and then an MBA from Punjab Technical University.
Okay.
So, and also I got a green card of a US green card, as my wife was a green card holder, so I got the US green card.
Excellent.
So, and my wife and I have one son. One son is studying there in US. So we are
Okay.
planning. I'm also planning to go there.
Wonderful.
So my after 20 years, I was waiting for 20 years so that I will retire and get pension funds and everything like that.
Okay.
So I joined a business analyst class because I was very scared at that time because everything was so in software, and I'm not a software. I have no background of software anything. I'm not an engineer
All right.
by so I was looking for for some courses so that my experience will not be turned zero when
All right.
go to US. So my experience will not be done like completely. I'm zero. It's nothing. I have to start from the beginning. So I like the business analysis class. So it's give me a base. So I will learn a lot from that. But after searching a job, a lot of jobs I was looking. There's a business system analyst, and they always want some data thing like
Right.
SQL and Python. There's some dashboard. There's so much in that, but I'm just lacking in all such things. So I just want to enhance all my armory so that I can get
Perfect.
a better job options there, so that I cannot start as a beginner.
Super awesome. Perfect. Perfect. So as I understand this thing correctly, that overall you have 20 plus years of experience and currently you're working on railways as a senior section engineer.
Yeah, and I was doing a contract management thing. Everything was I was doing tenders, contractual things, and price variation, financial analysis, and there was railway. There's so much data in railways. We are do so
Absolutely.
much in Excels, and because we are not trained as a professional BI dashboard one, so we do all the pie chart and everything on Excel.
All right.
So yeah,
Okay. Okay. Right. And again, you are missing that like since there's a sophisticated platform like Power BI,
yes,
right, and the
yes,
Tableau and all that is there.
yes,
So that
yeah,
provides without any coding and all single line of coding
yeah,
can provide such a beautiful interactive AI enabled dashboard, right? So that you can
yes,
do all
yes.
the forecasting and all. Excellent. Very nice. And you have planned that like going forward, since you have green card, you planning to switch to US, move to US,
Yes,
and then work from there. So what is the
yes.
role you are looking at in US?
I'm looking for I like business analyst thing with data in that.
Right, absolutely. So see, as a business analyst also, it is like a customer facing role, right? You'll be working very closely with your customer, understand their business problem, right? And then you'll say that how technology is going to solve the business problem. So first is like you are talking in a business language to your customer, you are understanding his pain area, business problems and all. Then you are bridging the gap. You are now completely coming back to your implementation, say, your technical team, providing them the input, like what is the business requirement and all, so that technical team can understand this thing well, and then they can implement this thing. So finally, you are solving the business problem. So basically, you are a bridge to like help them to
Yes,
bridge the gap and all, and then help and make your customer successful. That is the
yes,
overall intent. And obviously, like since everything is now technology driven, like again earlier, like the technology was like a area like that was considered as a backend and all, but now everything is driven by technology. So understanding technology is quite crucial. Second, like now customer is very much technology savvy, they understand technology very well. So unless you have that acumen and then grasping, you won't be able to talk to your customer into that. Like they are now no more business guy now. They understand technology and they understand the power of the platform, how it works. So
Yes,
now getting the skills of like say Power BI, getting the skills of Python programming, getting the skills and other frameworks, tools, and all that will empower you to work very productively with this, and then it is going to help you a lot to deal with your customer. And customer also has the trust in you because you are not only pure play business guy, you are also understand technology and use that technology to solve a business problem. So that
yes,
way, it is like a complete package. How you're providing the solution around this. So that way, it will be very helpful. And second is like. In US, there is a huge demand for different type of things. Like say within data science, it's like a universe, right? Within that, you have data analyst position, data science engineer, backend engineers. The positions are there: BI expert, ML expert, AI expert, multiple things and all there. So even as a business analyst or senior business analyst, you need to understand the data quite well. You need to understand the technology platform, how you can use the reporting, how you can do the dashboarding and all, how you can make the interactive dashboard so that customer can understand those things there. This is precisely we are going to cover in our foundation program. So foundation program, you are well prepared, well versed with the Python programming of this, and then well prepared of the Power BI, the dashboard reporting. Then we are talking about EDA, exploitative data analysis, all the steps and all. So that way it gives a complete clarity on this. And the moment you will talk about this thing, so once we understand this, and then later we will go ahead with 2 to 3 real world project. So once that type of project is there in your profile, so while you're talking to your customer, that makes a huge sense. They will understand that yes, you have understood the business problem, and using the tools, technology, and platform, you are able to solve that business problem. So that will bring you ahead of the curve, and that will distinguish you from the rest of the crowd there. And once like that works well, then you can demand the salary you deserve. So all those things that will be handy to you. So that is how we are planning to go for this. So first we will complete the foundation part of this. So just focus on this, complete all the 2 to 3 projects and all. And then since you have the green card, that is the best part of this. And you should be able to get a very good job, premium job out there. And data scientist job or say BI expert job, anything if that works out well for you, it is not less than 150K. That is what you can think of in US.
because I applied for
150K US dollar.
40, 50 jobs, but no one called me back, and everyone just
Right, right, right.
rejected my resume like that.
Yes, yes, that is that is
So
that is the major
that's
challenge. Very good point that you had said. And you know what? Like people, what they will do, they will just simply go to YouTube or many other places. They will just watch some free resources and also do some project, and they will say that okay, now I am BI expert, now I am BI champion, and now I'm a data scientist and all. And the challenge is that the moment you put them in front of the customer, they're not able to solve a single problem there. They're not able to answer a single question because they will ask you the real time scenario and all, and nothing would be able to like like demonstrate those things there. So that way people are missing the mark. Second thing is that since like I have heard people have applied for thousands hundreds of position and all, they're not getting a single call. And the reason is that there is a ATS that works behind the scene, that is called applicant tracking system. That applicant tracking system checks your profile first against the job description, and check like how good your profile is against the job description. If the ATS score is less than 70%, people's profiles simply go to dustbin. They will not reach to the hiring manager. It simply means that, like say you have envelope or you have a letter that you put in the post box without any like address into this, where you will finally land, right? Nowhere. So that is the situation that it lands, and that is why people keep like sending hundreds of positions and all are not single thing that comes in. So my first priority is that work on your profile first, okay, and have the baseline profile there. So the template that I had given you, that is the world class template. So first we complete those part of this like profile and all. So that becomes a baseline profile. One other thing just you need to understand that one size does not fit all. So every job has a different requirement. Every job description is different. Every
different.
company has a different requirement. So like if I just create one profile and keep sending same profile to everyone, you know the situation, right? It will not match this thing and simply it will go to dashboard. So we need to customize the profile for each position. While we are applying, we need to customize the profile in such a way that it matches the job description. We need to highlight some key aspect of this. Say for example, that if the organization is there who are more towards Power BI, okay, they are not much into Python or they are not much into Tableau. But if you can put a lot of things related to Python, NumPy, Pandas and all, or say other tools, right? So it does not match the requirements. So the idea is that, like, even though you know those things, you know Power BI also, but in order to customize this thing, we need to highlight the Power BI portion. You need to work on this part, like what type of project you have done in Power BI, so that it matches the requirement and then it goes ahead of the ATS curve. And after that, you should be able to get through. So those are the things that we'll do in the workshop and all. So we'll complete those tasks so that your profile should not screened out. It should be reaching to the hiring manager. That is how this entire thing is designed.
Okay,
Right,
sure.
so that way we will do, like, you already have the profile with you, the global
Yes.
template. Next time, like, you just complete this thing. It is just like a 1 or 2 pager maximum. 2 page would be maximum. Preferably it should be 1 pager only. With this, everything would come into picture, and it is all the data driven part of this. Always try to put the numbers out there, because see, company is not interested to know like what you have done, like say 20 years I have done this, I have done that or all. They want outcome, what you have, the outcome you have brought to the organization. Because once you bring those outcome, it means that that is a transferable thing, so that you can transfer to the other organization as well. So that is what the company is looking for. So everything should be data driven, result oriented. Like, this is how it is. Like, say for example that you have done some automation and this has helped company to like save 250,000 US dollars, say for example. So if you bring those aspects there in the profile, then they will say that, okay, this person has worked on this automation, they have brought those aspects there. So likewise, there are multiple things and all, so we need to just focus on that part and have the profile ready. So that would be there, and then we'll continue with our programming part of this, Python programming, all the stuffs related to Python, then tools, technology, Power BI, their entire stuff and all, and then at least 2 to 3 real world project. So those empower you to have the right set of profile there, and then we can take it ahead.
Okay.
I hope it makes sense and you are clear on the flow and all that.
I'm clear, because I have one job when I applied for a job, and the email that I got, I have to answer 9 questions about data.
Right.
So that's, I don't know. I have no idea how to give it the answer
Yeah, right, right.
about the data. So the email is like lying down in my Gmail
Oh,
only.
all right.
So
And now I am seeing a lot of trend now. Like, many of the people now coming to me, mid-career professional and all, and they are having a lot of opportunity in government jobs also. Like many of the banking system, the PSU and all, they are looking for a senior manager in data science or data analyst role, senior data analyst role and all. And they are looking for that, how good they are with playing with the data and all, how they are able to extract the data, how they can understand the inside of the data and all. So that becomes a very crucial role. And going forward, you will see plenty of opportunity out there. So the our next step would be to first complete the foundation part, understand this thing, complete 2 to 3 real world project, and then we will go ahead with the full fledged program, and also that you have a complete understanding about how it works. Because as a data analyst, organization has the understanding that the person should be a full packaged person. They should also have the understanding of how AI works, how machine learning works. Because any of the banking system or railway system, everywhere you can see AI component is coming into picture. So that knowledge, that understanding is crucial. So that is what we are going to cover in our full-fledged program there.
so I will look for a job as a data analyst.
That's right. Yeah. Data analyst, business analyst, BI expert, business intelligence expert. So these are the roles that you can surely look into.
And I will also look for a business analyst role with that data in hand also.
Correct. Yes, yes, absolutely. Because that will go hand in hand. So it means that you are skilled to manage the data as well, along with your business analyst role.
Okay.
So that empowers you, the additional thing of this. And everyone now has the requirement that pure play business analyst will not work unless you have that data component into this. How you can manage the data, how you can do the dashboard, how you can create the report, how you can make the interactive dashboard and all. So this is what the expectation is from business analyst team now.
Okay, but I'm still applying. I'm still applying. I'm not getting any offers.
No, no,
So,
no, not a problem. So as I told you that there is a mantra to this, there is a formula to this. See, there is no secret to this. There is a process to this. Once you follow the process, you will see the result.
okay.
So
So,
that is what we'll do in the session.
but I will applying enroll in for May batch.
That's fine. I mean, it is completely up to whenever you get time, and also you can start.
Because in I'm traveling in May, so it's very difficult for me to
Okay.
concentrate or to all do all the works and to give them more time on the study.
Okay. Okay. Right. No, that's fine. I mean, so one thing, Moshin, like I asked this thing to all my students and all. So since you have attended my master class, right? You have gone through the process. And all. So basically, what prompted you to join the program? What brought you that okay, now you need to join me and this program that is going to help you? What prompted
Uh,
you for that?
because I am researching a lot. I have been to US a lot of time and looking there and looking for jobs, looking for opportunity. That's the only thing that's clicking me.
Okay.
And with all that you are giving me in 3 months, is you will not get outside in maybe in a year or so. And you are doing yours because like about when Sajna ma'am is teaching me, because she is the owner of the business and she is not employ any teachers. The basic
Right.
she is doing with herself and you are doing with yourself, because it's
Right.
your business, your passion. If you
That,
employ 2 3 people, just they will not teach as passionate as you are.
that's true. That's right. That's true.
Because I have taken classes from Knowledge Hut also.
Mm-hmm.
So that's they are so just they are doing the job. They're not
Got
following
it.
the passion. That's the two different thing. And this teaching is about passion. It's not about doing
Absolutely.
a particular job. What
Absolutely.
you are doing is you're fulfilling your passion. It's nothing about
Perfect.
the
No,
job.
no, perfect, perfect, absolutely. Because I'm a completely 100% full-time employment, right? And then I do this program only on the weekend and all. Here, the idea is that to make my students successful,
Yes,
take my example of my career journey, be successful into this. And what I think, like, if I make my students successful, inherently I will be successful. And the
yes,
blessings and all that will come to me. That is one. Second is I always request my student, make your customer successful, right? That is crucial part because while you're working or you're doing a job there, basically everyone is getting the pay and the bread and butter from their customer is there, like everything. So making the customer successful should be the prime orientation. The moment you make your customer successful, inherently you will become successful, you will be indispensable to the organization, and you can grow like anything within the organization. So just only one thing is focus, like do your best to make your customers successful in their business. Help them to solve their business problem. Help them to be successful in their business. That's all. That would be the only guru mantra I will be giving in the session. And see, with this program, I never intend to make a person like a Java developer or say BI developer or say programmer. And all. Not that is not the intent. Make them aware of all the tools, technology, and platform, empower them with this, but make them a like trusted customer partner, so that you are working very closely with your customer as a partner and helping them to be successful onto this. That is the focus area.
yeah.
Perfect. Very
And
nice. So this was really great, Mohsin, having you in the our master class in data science program. And surely, whenever you are ready, you can like start on that part your journey, and you will see a tremendous growth in your career opportunity. And the challenge that you are seeing that not able to get through the job or say not get able to get through the interview calls and all, that will no more be applicable to you because you will understand the process, will follow the process through which you'll be able to click those jobs there.
thank you so much for that. And there is one more request. Is it can you give us a earlier class recording also, because
Right.
can I go through the recordings
Yes,
and then I
yes,
will join
yes.
it on May? Is it
Perfect,
possible?
perfect. Yes. So let me now stop this.